Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on Black Ops 1 for PC. First, ensure your computer's operating system is up to date, ideally Windows 10 or later. This initial check helps prevent compatibility issues later on. You will need a USB micro-B cable or a Bluetooth adapter for wireless connection. Prepare these items to begin the process smoothly. This setup allows for much more comfortable gameplay. Next, you will need to install the essential software, DS4 Windows. Visit the official DS4 Windows website to download the most recent stable version, ensuring you get it from a trusted source. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a new folder on your desktop for quick access. Launch the setup file and simply follow the installation instructions as they appear on your screen. Remember to install any prompted drivers to ensure full functionality with your controller. Now, let's connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your PC. If using a wired connection, simply plug one end of your USB micro-B cable into the controller and the other into an available USB port on your computer. For a wireless connection, open your computer's Bluetooth settings, then press and hold the Share and PlayStation buttons on your controller simultaneously until the light bar flashes quickly. Select the controller when it appears in your Bluetooth device list to pair it successfully. With your controller connected, open the DS4 Windows application. You should see your PlayStation 4 controller listed under the Controllers tab, indicating it is recognized. Next, navigate to the Profiles tab to create a new profile specifically for Black Ops 1. This allows you to map controller buttons to the keyboard and mouse inputs the game expects. Customize the controls as needed, then save your profile to apply these settings. This step ensures optimal in-game performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.